Turn the nozzle left and right with the entire arm. This video plays in high speed.
Try to direct the nozzle to the left as if you are to clean the floor on your left side and return to the original position. Now try to turn the palm of the right hand inward and then return slowly. When you turn the palm inward, lift the elbow a little bit away from the floor. When you turn the palm inward and the elbow lifted, turn the upper arm inward. Let's do it in the order of the size of the muscles now. Leave it and just direct the nozzle left and right freely. Please do the movement in your imagination without actually doing it. Imagine to turn the upper left arm inward, then lift the elbow and then turn the palm inward to turn the imaginary nozzle to the right. Then imagine to turn the upper arm outward, then lower the elbow, then turn palm the outward. Think of this movement many times. And now, do this actually. Pick up the hose and do it with the left hand to turn the nozzle to the right. Leave it and just direct the nozzle left and right freely. And gradually turn the nozzle more and more. How do you use your entire body to help this movement? Use your creativity. Change over the hands.